Hey, in front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, just access Clock app. Following that, you need to choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then create your alarm by choosing this plus icon. Now set up an hour. Following that, you need to click on one of those options: once, weekdays, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually by tapping on the chosen ones, like Mondays and Fridays, and then save them by choosing save at the bottom right corner. Now you need to click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you wish to disable it, you can do that by tapping on this switcher at the top. In order to enable it, click on the same one. Then choose the back button and click on Alarm Tone. Over here you can pick one of those melodies or choose music and pick song from your smartphone. Either way, you need to click on the chosen one and save it by tapping on OK. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm ringing to switch off or on vibrations for your incoming alarms, and finally choose label. Now you can label your alarm however you want to, tap on OK, and finally save your alarm by choosing save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and select one of those options. In order to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, then make your changes, and save it by clicking on this save checkmark at the top right corner. Now you can get rid of your alarm by holding it, selecting delete at the bottom right corner, and choosing delete in the pop-up. In order to adjust even more alarm settings, select this gear icon at the top right corner and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!